Help your customers grow their business with instant business loans from Protium. You can get an instant 100% digital business loan of up to Rs 15 lakh in just 5 minutes at attractive interest rates and no hidden charges without any checks required. The first step starts with OTP verification. Then, fill out your personal details like PAN, date of birth, gender, and current residence PIN code. Step 2. Verify your GST details. Now complete your GST verification. If GST is not found, enter all your business details manually like trade name, date of incorporation, business address, etc. Step 3. Enter your bank statements so we can analyze it to provide them with the best offer. Step 4. Now choose the loan amount and EMI that works best for you and accept the offer. The next step is the OKYC verification. Just enter your Aadhaar details, upload a selfie and your current residence address. Step 6. Set up auto repayment via eNACH to ensure hassle-free timely repayments every month. Step 7. Enter Udyam details. In case you haven't registered for it already, register via the Udyam website for manual QC later. Next, accept the loan agreement after verifying the key fact statement, the terms and conditions, the sanction letter and the application form. If any QC fails, don't worry. Protium will redirect you to submit additional documents such as KYC QC, Face Match QC, Disbursal Account Name Match QC, Business Registered Address Match QC, Udyam Registration Match QC, Business Proof 1 and Business Proof 2. Once everything is verified and confirmed, the funds will be disbursed to your account instantly within 5 minutes. With Protium, you can focus on what matters the most, growing your business. Let us take care of the financing. Apply now and fuel your ambitions with Protium.